Yes, Mark Zuckerberg. Oh my God, how'd he do that?
What's the matter? Too fast for you?
Ha ha ha! You saw me walk right through the police barricade, and yet you think you can block me, right? Go ahead and try.
Now, Zuckerberg, let me see you block my style.
Oh! Ow! I have never witnessed this style before.
Hey, look! The freaking costume kids are getting Zuckerberg! Get him, kids! Poop in his mouth!
You tried to match my style and failed.
Oh, it is over. My friends are all beaten. Wah!